guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So I hope you're all having a great week. Today's video is something a little bit different to what I typically film on this channel. And it's actually going to be a come pack with me video, which I've never filmed before. I'm not sure how well this is going to go. I'm not sure how much you're going to find this that interesting. But because I'm going away, one or two of you said on Instagram that you want to see a like come pack with me style video, and it kind of has allowed me to try and be quite organised in my packing. So I thought that I would share with you guys what I'm bringing away. Before we get into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go down there, hit subscribe, turn the bell on, that way you'll be notified when I upload, and also go check me out on Instagram. That is the premise of today's video. It's basically going to be running through with you guys everything that I'm taking, from shoes to swimwear to everything in between, toiletries and all of that fun stuff. I want to start out by saying, if you can hear crashing and banging and loud sounds, the guy behind, like near where we live, is basically building something there, and it is so loud. So I'm really sorry, but I have tried to film this like literally 7 times and the noise just isn't going away, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Second thing, I literally just had my eyebrows tinted and threaded, so they look a little bit unusual. If you get your brows tinted, they normally look better like 3 days in when some of the tint's washed away. So yeah, just thought I'd give you guys a bit of context on my brows. Let's get into everything that I'm packing and show you guys an overview of the situation we have at hand. Okay guys, so this is the suitcase that I'm bringing. I'm actually going to link this below because I believe you can get this on Very. I want to say, I'm going to link this exact suitcase below. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a cream suitcase. You'll probably see it on Instagram because I'm going to try and get a shot in the airport with this case. So this is the case I'm bringing. For those of you that don't know, I'm going to Orlando. I'm going to Florida for just under 2 weeks. So that is where we're going. That's the location. Just if you are wondering what kind of stuff I would be packing. The weather is kind of relatively great at the moment, fingers crossed. So it's quite a summery base to sort of pack with. But we're going to run through everything that I'm taking. I'm trying to be a little bit more minimalist this year, just because I do end up buying quite a lot out there, and the shops are so amazing out there that I'm going with the intention to buy stuff, which is never great, but you know, hey ho, I'm being real. I'm probably going to buy some stuff. Now, first things first, I would really recommend writing everything down that you're going to pack. This has sort of changed up the packing game for me, because you can put this in your hand luggage. God forbid they lose your case, you know exactly what you packed. And also it just helps with outfits. So I kind of arrange mine in day, evening, jackets, swimwear. That's kind of how I like to arrange it. Then I can go through and sort of count how many day pieces I have, evening pieces, etc, etc. That's kind of how I have started to sort of pack my stuff. And I do find it useful if you feel like you need a little bit more organisation. So this is the case I've got 23 kg that I'm allowed to bring away with me, and hopefully we're gonna have packed successfully, somewhat successfully. I feel like packing is difficult for a lot of people. You end up throwing things in that you don't need, or you'd underpack, or whatever it might be. So I want to really get it right this time. So I'm going to start out with my makeup. This is my makeup bag. This bag is from Primark. It was really, really cheap, but I absolutely love it because it fits all of my palettes, all of my brushes, and all of my makeup in here. So it's all in one bag ready to go. I tried to be a little bit more minimalist this time, which I know to some people is going to sound ridiculous because this is a huge makeup bag, but normally this is overflowing. So I've kind of just gone with the basics. 1 foundation, 2 concealers, 1 blusher, 1 bronzer, an eyebrow pencil, all of my brushes, and at the moment I only have 1 eyeshadow palette in there, and it's the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which I know some people didn't like. There was a lot of controversy over it. I absolutely adore this palette. This is from the Vault collection, and it's all bronzy shades, and I absolutely love it. And there's a Sephora in the States that I'm definitely going to be heading into, so that's sort of why I didn't want to pack an overwhelming amount. I've just packed my basics, things I love, lip products, stuff like that. Then I'm going to move over to toiletries. This is how I pack my toiletries. I couldn't recommend a bag like this enough, guys. Honestly, it has helped me so much. So you zip it up, but then you can kind of see everything. It's all clear. I find this like the most useful bag for packing my toiletries. This was Kate Spade, but I did get this in an outlet and I got a really good discount on it, and it's so pretty. And obviously it has the little handles. I adore it. So I'm going to whiz through really quickly what I have in here. I have my contact lenses, deodorant, makeup remover pads, a small little body moisturizer, my toothbrush. I then have my L'Oreal like clay wash that I swear by this, and if you do want a skin routine, I can give it to you, because I feel like lately I've found a few products that I'm just in love with, and this is one of them. In the back here I just have tampons, my perfume, which at the moment the perfume that I'm loving is this Tory Burch one, and guys, it's such a spring scent. I love this so much. I then have a clarifying charcoal mask, just if I feel like doing it one evening while I'm away. My Amazing Style Dry shower cap, I absolutely love this. It's like a little turban. I'll try and link some of this stuff below. I won't be able to link everything, but I'll try and link some of it if you guys are interested. But this is so cute, like as a shower cap, I love it. Just have my glasses in the corner there. I don't need toothpaste, I don't need shampoo and conditioner because I'm staying in an apartment out there, so we end up buying that and just kind of having that in the apartment, so I should be good with this. Okay guys, so I'm not sure how well you can see. Sorry about these funny angles. I'm getting used to this whole process. I would recommend wearing your heaviest pair of shoes. So I'm going to be wearing my Balenciagas. They're over there somewhere. They're super, super heavy and very, very chunky. So I'm going to wear them on the airplane just because they're my heaviest shoes. I'm also going to pack another pair of trainers just because we're going to be going to outlets, shopping malls, you know, Disney, all of that stuff. So I want comfy trainers. I love these. I am going to drop a link to these below because I did mention them on my Instagram story and a lot of you were like, where are they? Where can I get them? I got these in Office. They're so cool, I think. They're basically the standard Nike Air Forces, which are my favourite trainers of all time. But they have the hot pink tick and I love it. I think they're really, really cool. They add something a little bit different to this shoe. So these are definitely coming with me. They're very, very light. And then just bringing a pair of espadrilles. These are in a Luxe Secure video that you guys will see very, very soon. Also going to bring these black kind of crisscross shoes that are probably my dressiest shoe I'm going to bring. I am going to Orlando. We're not going to be going out for any fancy meals really. So I'm just going to go for a block heel like this as my, you know, fanciest shoe. Then I'm just bringing 2 pairs of slides. Oh, these have got mud all over them. Obviously going to be very practical as kind of like my flip-flops. Okay, so here we are. I hope you can see. I do apologise again for these angles. They're unusual. That kind of collection there on my windowsill is actually what I'm wearing to the airport. So I'm wearing jeans, a big oversized t-shirt and a denim jacket. I would recommend so much to anyone that struggles with packing or organisation is putting your underwear and your swimming costumes in bags like these. So these are beginning boutique bags, but if you have, you know, like plastic bags, Ziploc bags, whatever it is, they're just really, really easy because then you can literally open the drawer of where you're staying and just tip your underwear out or tip your swim stuff out. It's super easy. In this one, I just have all of my underwear and it's mostly neutral nudes because I bring a lot of white away with me and obviously I don't want anything to be see-through. So that's what's in that little bag. Then this one has some of the swimming costumes and bikinis in, which I will share with you guys very, very quickly. I'm actually bringing 3 swimming costumes away with me, which is so rare. I don't typically wear them, but I just feel a little bit more comfortable in a swimming costume at the moment. This one is from Primark. You guys will see this in an upcoming video. It was £5 and it's really cool, has a really low back. I also thought I might end up wearing this as a top with denim shorts. So that's my first swimming costume. The next one we have is from Shein. I've been so impressed with Shein, guys. Like, honestly, it's really surprised me how much I love their swim stuff. So this is a little yellow gingham swimming costume and it literally just looks like that. Has the stomach area kind of cut out. It's just really, really cute again, and again would actually look really cute with denim shorts. The last swimming costume I have here is a bit more of a skimpy one. This is a white and leopard print kind of panelled swimming costume. Again, you will be seeing this soon in a Shein haul. It looks like that and it's really cool actually. And then these bits kind of tie around as a belt. I'm bringing a sarong just to kind of bring down with me to the pool. They're very easy, like if you need to pop to the loo or if you need to go to the bar and get a drink or something when you want to be a little bit more covered up. I love a sarong. Then for actual bikinis, I've gone for this blue bikini that I adore. I loved this, and this is actually Zaffle. And then I've just gone for a PLT bandeau style bikini top. Again, very, very small, itsy bitsy, but it's just because I want to get a good tan. And then just some plain black bottoms because they're the most useful things in the world, are they not? Plain black bottoms, everyone loves them. Then I'm just bringing my curling iron. This is actually an American curling iron, that's why I'm bringing it away with me, and it is my favourite one. So it's the Jose Hebert curling iron. I know it's quite expensive, but I've had this for so long, but that's why I'm bringing it because it's already got an American plug on it. I kind of divide my case into sort of like day wear and evening wear. So on this side is more of my evening stuff, and then in this compartment is more of my daytime stuff. We have these Primark shorts that you guys know I absolutely adore. I'm bringing 1 pair of black cycling shorts to go under dresses with big oversized t-shirts. Just for me, cycling shorts are item. I know some people hate them, but for me they're kind of practical. Then I have this skirt, which is from Stradivarius. And I absolutely love this. It's like a neutral kind of nude skirt. So it is shorts, but at the front it looks like a skirt. Very cute, gonna be so handy. My white denim jumpsuit that you guys might have seen in my Pretty Little Thing try on. This is gorgeous. I actually took this to Dubai, and it's a really nice piece because it's not really short. So I'm gonna feel comfortable wearing this in the mall, out for like lunch, you know, for breakfast. It's not like really short, tight, restrictive shorts or anything like that. It's actually quite boxy. Okay, then moving on to like casual t-shirts and tops. This one from Rebellious Fashion that I love. There's actually a photo of me wearing this with a dress over the top, and it looks so cute, and I just love the logo on this. Then I have one of my favorite tops that I never get enough wear out of, so I'm making myself bring it. It's a little Ralph shirt, so it is a little Ralph Lauren top, but it's like been chopped off into a crop top, so it's actually really cool, and I do love this piece. I just never really get a chance to wear it, so I'm planning on bringing this. I actually got this from Urban Outfitters a while back. Then I'm bringing just a plain blue t-shirt from Pretty Little Thing. It's literally just plain blue with Saint-Tropez 1993 written on it. And then I'm bringing this really oversized black tee, which says Send Nudes, that I'm planning on wearing with cycling shorts and some chunky trainers to the mall. These are the vest tops. Just to bear it in mind, we have a washing machine in the apartment, so I can just wash stuff when I'm out there. The first item I'm going to bring is this neon coloured green off the shoulder top. It looks amazing with a tan. I feel like with denim shorts and some flip-flops, this is just like a really easy, simple outfit. Just have this Pretty Little Thing cropped nude top. My Primark kind of little number that I showed in my Primark haul. And then lastly, this is from Urban Outfitters last year, and it just is a very, very simple white vest top. High necked, just again, really easy. As of right now, I only have one set of pyjamas in, so I definitely need to add to that. But these are just my Dumbo Primark pyjamas, super lightweight, really loose fitting, and just comfortable. But I am gonna add in like an oversized t-shirt or some other sleepwear items. That is something I need to do. This is a lemon cord. I adore this. I wore this a lot last year, you guys might remember. I don't know if they still have this on their site, but it's absolutely lovely. So it's a little lemon coloured skirt, and then it just comes with the matching blazer, which I thought I would wear with other things, not just this cord. I also love yellow, so I couldn't help but bring this along. Then for some of my dresses, I actually just left them on this hanger so I can just hang them up as soon as I get there. If you could pack everything on hangers and you don't have like a really high weight restriction, I would recommend doing that so much. I've done that for short trips before, and it's changed the game for packing and unpacking. You literally arrive in your hotel or your apartment or wherever you're staying, and you just take everything out and hang it up. It's so simple. So the first item is this. You guys have seen this in my beginning boutique haul. Then I'm also bringing this little red play suit. I love this. It's a play suit with shorts. It's lightweight, it's easy. I'm gonna actually link my beginning boutique haul in the description box if you haven't checked it out and you want to know what these things look like on me. Then I'd go watch that video. And the last little dress I actually got in the Zara sale last year, and it is just a black and white spotted little dress. It is so flattering on. It looks like not a lot off the hanger, but honestly guys, on, this is such a flattering cut of dress. I'm then bringing this dress from Zara. This was another staple favourite of mine last year, and it's kind of like a midi length dress, off the shoulder, pinstripe white and blue, super flattering, super lightweight. Looks like you made an effort, and just easy. Easy, that's like what this holiday is about. It's not about being overly like fashionable in, you know, obviously I want to look nice, but it's not like going to Marbs with the girls and you want like 4 outfit changes at the beach club. Like, it's just not that kind of thing. So yeah, it definitely takes the pressure off. Then I have this dress, which is from Misguided. This is quite old now, but I still love it. It's a ditzy kind of floral print. It is long sleeved, so I just thought in case it got a little bit chillier in the evenings, little kind of floral tea-style dress. I actually really want to wear this with like Balenciagas and chunky socks. I don't know, I just think like edge it up a little bit, throw on a denim jacket, a pair of sunglasses, just make it a bit more cool rather than boho. But this on is a beautiful dress. I love the little ties on the sleeves. It's definitely a very me girly dress. Okay, so you're probably thinking, what am I doing about jackets and stuff like that? Like I said, I'm going to be wearing a denim jacket. I'm also bringing a cardigan in my travel on. It's a floor length PLT cardigan that I will see if they still have, because I do get questions on that whenever I wear it on Instagram. It's all going in my hand luggage. So those 2 jackets are going in my hand luggage. And then I'm just bringing a super lightweight white shirt from PLT. so useful, I cannot begin to explain. Even if it's really, really hot and you want to like tie this around your bag or something, and then when you go in the mall and they've got the aircon like whacked up, you could always throw this on, whether it's over one of those dresses or like shorts and a vest top. Like, this is just useful. You can tie it around your waist. Like, I feel like everyone needs to own one of these. I didn't realise how much I depended on this kind of thing until I bought it. So a little white shirt is definitely coming with. And lastly, I have this, which is actually from Ibiza, and it's so cute. And I just have a few accessories and random bits and bobs in here, like the miscellaneous. So I have one sun cream. Like I said, there's other sun creams out there. My mom's brought sun cream. She's already out there. So I'm just going to bring one because this is my favourite ever sun cream. It's Australian Gold. I don't even think they sell it in the UK. It is the best sun cream ever, but it is a very, very low factor. So I don't even know if I'll get around to actually using this because, yeah, I don't know if I would have been in the sun for long enough to use such a low factor. And for my sunglasses, these are a Pretty Little Thing, and they are like my favourite. Really oversized, block everyone out, hangover sunglasses. Like, these are the ones that I actually just bought in Barcelona like 3 years ago, literally at the side of the street. So sorry I can't link these. But again, really, really cool big sunglasses. I'm a massive fan of a big sunglass. Like, it's more my kind of scene. I'm also just going to be bringing a cap while I'm sunbathing. Get the sun out of my face. I'm also just going to be bringing a cap while I'm sunbathing. Get the sun out of my face. And then in the rest of this little bag, there just is hair scrunchies, hair clips from Primark, some jewelry, so like earrings and necklaces and things like that. This necklace is so gorgeous from Topshop, I believe. It's like a 2-strand necklace. Gosh, look at this. This is really, really tangled up. And things like handbags, I'm just going to be packing in my actual travel on. I like to have my handbags just on me, just because I love my bags and I don't want to just let them go off into the hold. I want to like have them with me. I'm literally just bringing a little backpack thing and probably a bum bag of sorts, because it's just going to be super useful if we do go to the Disney parks or Universal to have a bum bag. I feel like that would be practical. If you guys want to be up to date with my holiday and like what I'm getting up to, what I'm doing, where I'm going, I will be uploading vlogs on this channel, but I'll also be keeping you guys posted over on Instagram. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go and follow me, because you'll get to know a bit more of like how much you're spending my holiday. Because for the next 2 weeks, most of the videos that are going up on this channel are all pre-recorded, because I just want to have 2 weeks of relaxation. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching my channel and all the love and support, and I will see you all when I'm home from my holiday, which will be in 2 weeks. So yeah, bye guys, catch you then.